Every Tuesday, you can get yourself a copy of our newspaper, iDiskiTV, for absolutely free. Every shop right in the Gauteng province, you just go there, get yourself the paper. And on Fridays, the paper will be available across the nation on our website, iDiskiTimes.co.za. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Hello and welcome to the MTN 8 semi-final weekend. Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, Amazulu. Those are the same teams, incidentally, that are in the top four of the Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs being number 1, Orlando Pirates number 2, number 3 being Mamelodi Sundowns, and Amazulu now have toppled Swallows Football Club to be number 4. Swallows are number 5 in that voting of that Carling Black Label Cup. Ujune Khanye, analyst, Mamelodi Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates. How do you feel, sir?
Yes, sir. Ngibulise Justice.
Easy.
Benedict Sovila gazi. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. I wish this game can live my expectation is so big,
Yeah.
But the Sundowns and Pirates is never disappointment between two of them. Because with players who number 1 Sundowns, pound to pound, number 1, but 2, yes, we give it to Pirates this year. I'm signing wabo. Especially on Khanye. So this is not a game whereby Sobgela it's me one pass, a one attack. I'm sure with the approach, you need to be cautious. Like you by tactical, yes, you need to be disciplined, but it's more attacking each other. So Pirates sitting ngayo credit to kuleta lomfana uNdlondlo yesterday bengihlangana nalomfana uKabelo Dlamini.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, lapha eDavid eTebonese umfana athi yabona eGrootman ngale uKhemiti Erasmus noNdlondlo have got 2 big fish. Ngathi awusho kanje mfana athi they are passing ngathi no azange afuna ukukhuluma ekuningi after wangena ngathi no be right
Up the backs.
yeah I know badlala nabo bana. So all I'm saying ukuthi individually Pirates they definitely sure they're going to show up individual. But now they're playing against the team, understand the strengths of each other. How many seasons they are, especially how many games they won their team, especially team Yamanje. Okay, they got beat already by keeper 1-1. But you should with the team, similar team that has won 3 trophies last season. Okay, I'm a player match, it's only Alende. Apupaka, that's all. So the rest, but understand the strengths of each other, they understand what I'm a coach of Funan. They've got Tumshish just confidently high from national team. He scored 2 goals. Coach Benga Pidivelu Marmanjiti now is a missing link. He was a missing link. So Sundowns Kulego. Look at the depth. So Pirates concern with the second half. A City depends by 0-0 second half pass Buyaganjan. And I know Pirates go by speed, they will rely more on Khanye. Now them fun from Vincent Pule, but they're gonna cope in terms of game management. A tempo of a game, a gashis at 3 o'clock ngonile, and in knockout. I playing against Sundowns. Uncle Yogang Sundowns so win a game 2-2.
Gonna element your first leg and the second leg. We need to keep that in mind as well. That Pirates, if they are being coached well, they can find a way to manage that game. But unfortunately for now, with Askababone, big boys who manage a game. That's the unfortunate thing. We
need to be honest with players. Number 1 is Mamelodi Sundowns. When you check the quality, most of the players they deserve to play there. Numbers don't lie, they win all the games. Officially, no manga be big game. Currently they win. Yes, but lose amalanga fun. But now Pirates, they started very well with DStv Premiership. Getting Khanye the way back corner non-Ndlondlo. Lomfana uNdlondlo just the question namafana abanye bafika lapha freeze. My question ukuthi lento engiyibonile kuma Rumo Gallants nakula ku TGM uzoyenza na. Credit to people abasebenza ngumfana akazapply ngoba labafana banokufika lapha bene nervous, but lapho uyabona kunambombayi umfana ibalance unayo, comfortability ebholweni. I wish decision making akibe right. He's surrounded by a lot of quality players. So beba need umuntu njengaye. So playing him tomorrow facing abo Andile Charlie ngifuna ukumbona raise isandla nabo umkwena. So iSundowns inemidlalo nkuleko, I can guarantee you they will win the game. Inemidlalo bayiwina la ingaba bo Khanye mhlambe lapha boNdlondlo whereby individual but Pirates can combine. Udlala ngabo team, udlala ngabo Mnara ba combine. Those people lomunye udlalela yena they sometimes lose or umsele. Akuna combination in there. So yes, individually Pirates nyanika. In terms of signing individual, yes, but team effort Sundowns I give it. So Sundowns this game There's Shaludid, I think, on a goal Sasa. At the end, he might score as well. If Sarino is back, he's going to score. So there's a lot of engine going to be. So 2-2 needs Sundowns will win the game. No matter quality, Sundowns, they're more individual than another Pirates. And the coach, angamun kahle bazokhona we maintain it downs ngoba ezutsowahlala shi game is football, it's a game of questions and nama answer, but I don't think bazoba nama answer. Yes, equality banayo, but as a team I don't think they will. That's why bangekho consistency. They win, they lose, they drew. So I Sundowns in equality is too much. Yeah.
Whatever happens tomorrow, I hope that we don't lose this game as a tie tomorrow, because there's a second leg. I hope whatever happens, whoever loses, that we go to the second leg with an opportunity for whoever to be able to win the tie. If one team loses 3-0, it's all over for the second leg. We might as well just go there and have fun. But at least if it's 2-1, there's still a game to play for in the second leg. WSP.co.za, that's where you put your money on these matches and bet. Hopefully you will enjoy that as well. Very quickly with Kaizer Chiefs and Amazulu as well. What's your feeling about that? Because Mina, I have no feeling about that game, to be genuinely honest, because both teams are not doing well. Amazulu and Kaizer Chiefs, I can't say one is on top of the other. We saw Chiefs Makofe trying a couple of other players just for fitness. Nothing much was happening there. We've seen them in the last 5-6 games. Same with Amazulu Nabo. The last game that they played, I think, was against the Sundowns. Sundowns scored a last minute. We were there to cover that game on a Sunday. What's your feeling about that one?
I'm shocked, Mina, Twitter. The guy always approach the game with defensive. Too defensive, playing two defensive midfielders with less attack, 4 at the back. I understand. If we got a 3 at the back, he's got players. And why let go such as Abomlenga, Memela Luvuyo, Pulextin? Why let go such players? I'm a player that he has brought up Quem. Probably Capatino Mang. Capatino pele ngathi mobile lapha is dynamic usupply ubani lo lo mina yes ngihlale ngisho is more lazy mfana uyalazi ibhola but lazy man ngikhuluma ngalo mfana uBuchanan lazy is more playing if role coaching nokumbona beke two defensive midfielder abeka yena but umfana ulazy ulanda ibhola ku center back yakho, you can't support, ufuna ukudlala ama long ball, dlala short ul support than ukuthi udlala ama long ball ngoba ugijima ufuna. So team yakho ayikho more fair balance njoba ngisho ngithi approach ama ngi defense labantu abayi3 lapha ufuna abamakhe ama team angaqala ibhola up front. So I'm not his fan. Kaizer Chiefs kule game mina ngizonika. They will win 1-0. Bazoba nenkinga second round. But angeke sisho ngithi we doing it second round the other time. Yeah. They will win 1-0 in this game definitely. Lucky zoba nabo ngoba nabo bekokreni. Babukelile nange makhufeng babonile. Number 1 confident, 2 players down. And I'm always saying that some players they don't deserve to play there. We need to be honest. Whether by Chataka or by Chitivar, that he coaches inexperience. Especially pressure kuyo manje ayiki team emsabayo yabona. We need to be honest. Yes, there's certain players I feel ashamed mina for Khama. I heard he's a bit injured, too doubtful. Maybe ngezangezi ukikeni form yalazi ball star player but the form is off. So angeke ndlale nichu always abafuna nenza ama miracle players that they bought bathenga abantu abanabo last season, and those players they let them down. Babalethe down. So akunama changes at Kaizer Chiefs. Goalkeeping Khanye, one of the best. Eshinda bomfana kana defense engamprotector. Ugcina consider kuba ngathi umfana ordinary starless. I don't understand why all along ngoba nqede kaningi many years bekumele ngabe uhlela lapha epalini ngoba unokuba makhela ngecommunication, that's all. Ngokukhuluma communication abamakhele. So iChiefs zoyiwina lezo banenkinga second round. I can say that 1-0, yes, that will be the goal. They will win 1-0, but second round
so there you go. Very, very difficult game to predict. Keep in mind as well that these are only the first legs. We remember we watched Amazulu and Kaizer Chiefs a few weeks ago. It was 0-0 if I'm not mistaken. Dylan Solomon's missing a penalty if that was the game. So yeah, those two teams are not really promising or convincing, but we shall see on Sunday at 3:30. You put your money on WSP, World Sports Betting. You go to WSP.co.za. My name is Gulule Konkeo. This is Junior Khanye. Justice Shabalala behind the camera. Thank you very much for watching us.